guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here to unbox my May Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where you fill out a style profile. That stylist will choose 5 items to send to you in a box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, accessories, jewelry, anything, handbags that you want. The items come to you in the mail. You try them on in the comfort of your own home, which is my favorite part about Stitch Fix. The styling fee is $20, and so if you keep one item, that $20 gets applied to whatever you keep in the box. If you do keep everything in the box, you get a 25% discount, which is really nice. I'm gonna leave my Stitch Fix link down in the description box below. If you click on that link, you get $25, which would basically cover your styling fee, but it would also allow you to put $25 towards whatever you kept in the box. And you can set your boxes up to come to you every 2 weeks, monthly, bi-monthly, seasonally, or you can do it on demand where you just tell them when you want them to send you a box. I have mine set up for monthly because I'm basically trying to redo my wardrobe. So I'm loving the convenience of Stitch Fix, and it's been really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and get into my box. I've already cut the top. When you open the box, you see on top your prepaid mailer. Like I said, shipping is free both ways. If you have any exchanges, let's say you need a different size and something, you'll put anything that you don't want to keep or anything that you're exchanging in this prepaid mailer, you'll put it in your mailbox and ship it back, and it's really convenient. Next in the box is the envelope, and inside the envelope is your style card. It gives you style suggestions for how to wear the items that are in this box. Also, there's a note from your stylist. And then I have my price invoice, and this is fix number 9 for me. I've been doing this since September of 2018, and I've been loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and read my stylist note real quick. My stylist has been Kiera the whole entire time, and she's done a fabulous job. So it says, "Happy Mother's Day, Jennifer. Do you have any plans for this Mother's Day weekend? I don't have much going on. Last year I cooked for everyone, so this year I'm taking a more casual approach. I hope this fix makes your day extra special this year. Every time I come to your fix, I get so excited and an instant smile. Get comfy, relax, and let's unwrap your box. You mentioned you love the tribal crop pants, so I had to snag you a solid navy pair to add to your collection. Florals and bright colors just make everything better, so try these pants with your new Rainn Ruffle neckline blouse that I know will have you falling in love. I haven't sent you any skirts, and Maxi skirts are the skirt of the season, so try the Max Studio skirt. I'm sure you're counting down till summer. I'm a teacher, so I'm definitely counting down. I hope these are what you love for this season. XX, Kiera." I did get an extra this month, and it comes in like a package like this, and I just added, extras are like bras and underwear and camis, but I added this bralette right here. With summertime coming, I know that I might need something like that to put underneath some stuff. That is the Free People Galloon Lace Racerback Bralette in Off-White. Let's take a look at my bundle. It looks like this. Ooh, got some navy. I like this really light blue here. On this side, it looks like that. So first in my box is this, looks like navy blue and coral blouse. And the tag says Papermoon, Kiera, Keyhole, back blouse, and it's in navy. And it looks like this. It's got, looks like little stars. Can you see the print right there? Like little coral stars. Looks like it's got a little flutter to the sleeves. It feels like it could be polyester, which I like polyester tops because they just wash up really, really easily. It has that keyhole in the back. And I'm betting she probably sent these to go along with the navy pants. So I'll probably try the navy pants on with everything today. Next is this really pretty top. And it is the Rainn Emela Ruffle neckline blouse. And it says it's in teal green. And it looks like this. I love florals. This just reminds me of spring and summer. It looks beautiful. It also feels like it's polyester, like it's gonna wash up really easily. It has a little slit right here on the side. So yeah, it's got a little keyhole also in the back. I really like that. Next is by 41 Hawthorn, the Clearwater mixed material blouse, and it's in light purple. So this is the front. Looks like it's got a little crossover in the front. There's also a little opening in the front. In the back, there are these ribbons right here that look like they tie in the back. It's a really light lavender. The front feels like it's polyester. The back feels like it's some kind of stretchy fabric, so that's really nice. I like that. Next is the maxi skirt. This is the Max Hettie knit maxi skirt in purple. It almost doesn't look purple. It looks more like, I don't know how to describe that color. Like a burgundy almost. I guess it's kind of purpley, but you can see the print right there. It has no slips. I like maxi dresses, but I've never had a maxi skirt, so it feels really comfortable. It feels stretchy. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that on. And then last but not least, we have the tribal Fia cuffed crop trouser in navy. It's really, really dark. It almost looks black. You know how navy can be, but I liked these last time because they were stretchy, but they also had this band at the top. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I have a hard time finding shorts that are long enough that look right on me. And so I prefer capris and cropped pants and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to try all this stuff on, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back with these first two items, and the first item is the Papermoon Kiera keyhole back blouse in navy, and it's really cute. I like the material. The flutter sleeves are cute. The material is nice because it's easy to wash up, and it has this cute little keyhole detail in the back. So yeah, I really like this top. It hits me right about here. It's a little bit longer in the back. So yeah, I think this one is a go. The pants, like I expected, they're navy. They have that nice band in here to help tuck in the mommy pooch. They are cropped, so they come about to the middle of my shin. So yeah, I think this is a really good way to start off. So I'm very happy with these two items. So on to the next top. All right guys, so I'm back with the second blouse, and this is the Daniel Rainn blouse. It is the Daniel Rainn Emela Ruffle neckline blouse in teal green, and it's really cute. It's got the little ruffle at the top. It's got, looks like a little bit of pleating as it falls down here. It's a touch longer in the back, not super long. It does have some little slips on the side. It's got a little opening here in the back. It's not real noticeable though. The floral print's really pretty, so what do you guys think? But I think the top is really cute. It goes good with these navy little pants, so let me know what you guys think about this top. I'll be right back. All right guys, I am back with this third top, and this is that light lavender purple top. This is the 41 Hawthorn Clearwater mixed material blouse in light purple, and it looks like this. It has this little under tank top that's inside of it. So it's lined, which is nice. It was a little tricky to put on, I'm not gonna lie. It's got this little keyhole right here. Has a tie in the back. It's a little longer in the back, a little shorter in the front, so you can see how it's got that little tank top, that little cotton tank top underneath, which is nice. So what do you guys think about this? Does it make me look bigger in the stomach area, or does it do a good job of concealing that? That's the question. I think it's cute, very comfortable. Yeah, so far so good. I've liked everything in the box. I'm gonna try this top on with that maxi skirt, and we'll see what we think. All right, so I am back with this maxi skirt. It was a little bit of a challenge for me to get on because it's got this little, I don't know how you describe it, like a band, and I don't know if the band is supposed to be rolled down or left up. And if I roll it down, then it hits me in a kind of a funny area. I kind of question if it's long enough, because if I pull it up to where I think my waist is, then it seems kind of short. But right now it's about to maybe a little bit above my ankle, so that makes it a little bit hard to see. It looks kind of cute with this top. So do you guys roll that down? In the style card, let me show you. In the style card, it looks like it has it just up. So you guys tell me what you think, because I am not a fashion expert by any stretch of the imagination, but yeah, I think it's cute. It's super stretchy, super comfortable. Do you guys think it looks all right with this top? I thought it did. So, stepping into new territory for me. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and get back into my regular clothes, and we'll do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and go over some prices with you and tell you what I thought about each piece. So, I'm gonna start off with the 41 Hawthorn Clearwater mixed material blouse in light purple. And this top was really comfortable. The cost of this top is $58. It's super soft, stretchy, covers the back side, my bottom. So I really like this top. Next was the tribal Fia cuffed crop trouser in navy. And that's what was these pants. And I knew I was gonna love these because the other ones fit me so well. And they're so stretchy, and they're that material that's gonna wash up really well. And they've got that little cuffed bottom right there, so they're really cute. And the cost of those is also $58. Next is the Max Studio Maxi skirt, and here's a better look at that print. This is the one item I'm not sure about, because I wasn't quite sure what to do with this band at the top. It just seems so big. Do you leave it up? Do you leave it down? Do you roll it? So I'm not sure. You guys tell me what to do with that. I think I would have to leave it up just to get the length that I need. That is the Max Studio Hettie knit maxi skirt in purple, and it is $48. And it's really stretchy. It looks like it's gonna wash up really well, so I like that too. Just not sure about the length of it. Next was the Papermoon Kiera keyhole back blouse in navy, and I absolutely love this little top. It is so cute. It's gonna wash up really well. It's not gonna fade. It's just super adorable with that little keyhole in the back. So I really like that. And this is a really good price. It's $38, so I like that one. Next is the Rainn Emela Ruffle neckline blouse in teal green. And I love the floral print. I love florals. I think they're so pretty, and the colors in this are really, really pretty. Now, Rainn is a more expensive brand, and the cost of this shirt is $64. And then, like I mentioned, I haven't tried this on yet, but I will, and I'll get back and let you know what I think about it. But this is the Free People Galloon Lace Racerback Bralette in off-white. And like I said, I just thought this might be good to put under some of my tops this summer to give it like a little lacy detail. My stylist picks subtotal was $266. The buy all discount was 25%, which took off $66.50. If you add on the extra, if I decide to keep it, that's $20. So the order subtotal would be $219.50. I do have a $25 credit where a friend of mine signed up for Stitch Fix and got something. And shipping, of course, is free. So my final total for all 6 items would be $194.50. So I don't think that's bad. This is a really good box, and Kiera always does a great job. Like I said, I'm going to leave my referral link down below in the description box, and so feel free to click on that. Like I said, you would get $25, so $25 towards one piece of clothing. Checkout's really easy online, so I do recommend when you do try Stitch Fix that you use somebody's referral link, because you get 25 and they get 25, and it just really works out nice. So please leave me some comments and tell me what you thought about these pieces.